My family has been very active in Yiddish culture and Yiddish life back at least to my great-grandfather, who was a tailor but also was interested in theater and directed theater. My grandfather, who was a Marxist Yiddish journalist, went back and forth between here and the USSR and back here, and wrote for the Morgen Freiheit, the Yiddish newspaper. My dad, and mom, who've been involved in all kinds of Yiddish activism, both Yiddish and progressive activism. So it's to me, there's no separation. The Yiddishkeit that I've grown up with is also a progressive, and one doesn't separate. People say, well, how do you do, where does your cultural program come from? And I say, well, the Yiddishkeit. And they say, where does your politics come from? Well, the Yiddishkeit. And that's very much part of it. The book that my dad just translated, Die Dor was hat verloren in Moira, was about his dad's, he wrote it in the 50s, about my Zeta's experiences as a revolutionary organizer in Russia. And he started out not especially political, but arming the shtetls, getting guns to arm the shtetl against pogroms. And then eventually got caught running guns and went to jail. And in jail, the political prisoners in Russia were the most exalted. They were the highest, the highest level of the people in jail. And he started learning, that's where he started reading the literature and, progressive, political literature, and became a revolutionary.